In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research quiz topics ethically using Google. Before we get started, here's the goal. Learn how to quickly find trustworthy information online, understand it clearly, and use it to study and prepare, without relying on live assessments for answers. This approach builds real knowledge and helps you feel confident going into any quiz or test. First, open your browser and head to Google. Instead of copying questions from a graded form, identify the topic or concept you want to learn. Turn it into a clear, direct query. For example, if you're studying computer basics, you might search for a definition of a key term, an explanation of how something works, or examples that clarify the idea. Type your query in natural language, then refine it if needed. Put exact phrases in quotes to narrow results, add keywords that matter, and consider useful operators like cite.edu or cite.gov to focus on authoritative sources. If you're researching definitions, you can try adding define before the term for quick summaries. When results load, take a moment to scan the page. Start with reputable sources such as educational institutions, official documentation, well-maintained encyclopedias, and recognized tech or science publishers. Check the date to make sure the information is current, especially for fast-changing topics. Open a few promising results in new tabs so you can compare perspectives. As you read, look for clear definitions, concise explanations, and examples that make the concept click. Check the author's credentials when possible, and notice whether the content cites original research or standard references. Cross-verify important facts by finding the same information in at least two independent, reliable sources. Consistency is a strong signal you're on the right track. Take brief notes in your own words. Write a one-sentence summary of the idea, followed by a few key points or examples. Capture the link to the best source and the date you accessed it. This habit makes review faster and helps you avoid unintentional plagiarism. Use Google's built-in tools to dig deeper. The People Also Ask section can surface related questions that expand your understanding. Try switching to the Images, Videos, or Books tabs if you're a visual learner or want longer explanations. For academic depth, Google Scholar can connect you to papers and citations. Repeat this process for each topic on your study guide. Focus on understanding, not just memorizing, so you can explain the concept in your own words and apply it to new problems. By practicing this research workflow, you'll study more efficiently, build lasting knowledge, and approach quizzes with confidence and integrity.